Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily edit your WordPress homepage template in just a few minutes. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your site, this guide will help you make your homepage look professional and reflect your brand. Let's dive in. First, navigate to your WordPress website and click Login at the top right. For a quicker and more secure way, you can choose Continue with Google. This lets you log in instantly using your Google credentials, saving you time and hassle. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the Pages section. Here, you'll see all the pages of your website neatly listed. This is where you can manage, edit, or update any page, including your homepage. Next, locate the Edit Homepage link on the right side and click it. This opens a dedicated homepage editor, giving you full control over your layout, text, and images. You can move sections around, add new content blocks, and adjust your visuals to match your brand perfectly. Click the homepage template to enter edit mode. Now, make deliberate changes. Update text, swap images, or tweak layouts to reflect your site's purpose. Remember to save frequently. This ensures you don't lose your work and can track progress as you go. Little adjustments over time can make a big difference. And that's it. With regular practice, editing your WordPress homepage becomes second nature, helping you build a website that looks great and functions smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick WordPress tips. Keep experimenting and your homepage will shine.